Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will cover just a small update in Amazon's Campaign Manager, which allows you to create multiple sponsor products manual campaigns. So in the past it was available only for auto campaigns. If you sell, for example, in Europe, you could select to create the same campaign with the same settings in other multiple marketplaces, such as if you're creating your main campaign in Germany, you could select Spain, Italy, France, and others to create automatically, which is pretty handy. Now, what's available? So, when you navigate to create your sponsor product campaign, you select your products, you select your targeting. Is it going to be manual or auto? I selected manual, so this is new. Then keyword or product targeting. Let's opt in for keyword, and then because it's a new campaign, I'm gonna create with the fixed bids. Now this is the interesting part. Now this part is available, it's still in beta. So launch your campaign in additional countries, but this time, as I said, it's for manual campaigns. And what you have the ability here is to select and enable certain countries that you want your campaigns to be created. What's good about it is that you can automatically select different products to add in other marketplaces, because for auto campaigns in the past it was just whatever you selected to be an advertised product and different settings in auto campaigns, like for targeting match types like close match, lose match, and others. Here for manual campaigns you can select different products to be advertised for each marketplace, and for this particular account you can see that majority of European marketplaces are available. So this is a huge plus for those of you from US who are looking to expand in the EU. Then additional layer is to target additional bids and additional targets, specific targets and bids for each of the marketplace. Again, really huge improvement from Amazon. So typical window to add your broad phrase or exact match campaigns, but please separate them per campaign. Don't add all of them in one campaign. That's a must. And then lastly, the ability to create a daily budget for each of those marketplaces. Because, for example, Sweden is quite, it's not that new, but still doesn't have much traffic. You don't want to spend much money on that one. And one last point, be aware of this automatic setting that Amazon keeps enabling by default to help you and most likely help them, which is automatically set a rule to increase your bids by 50% during Christmas, between 11 December and 25th of December. So I like to turn it off simply because I can. But so if I want to increase certain bids for most important days, I will do it manually or through our tool, but I don't want Amazon to be messing with that, especially because they don't let us lower the bid, only increase the bid. So deselect that by default. So it's a pretty handy update. Let me know what you think about it, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.